Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the Singer machine HD4452 Singer sewing machine. I have already had one in the past which I used for 3 years. So this is the older one that I had before. As you can see, there's some tape here and some scratches. I had this machine for 3 years and it did a wonderful job for me. So I purchased another one. I like how it works. I like the speed of it. It can use heavy duty fabric and you can sew pretty much anything on the machine. So today I'll be unboxing the new one that I purchased. So I'm just gonna take it off the box. Here you have the buttonhole. Press the feet to make the buttonholes. And also you have some extra accessories in here to clean the machine. This is for the thread. And it comes with some other presser feet like the zipper foot and the one for the buttons. So I'll be setting it up today. So I will be plugging it to the side. So I plugged it in the side and I'm gonna turn it on. To pull the thread, I'm gonna put the bobbin here and then thread it around, and I'm gonna push it and then pull. So I'm gonna put the bobbin in here. So I'm gonna put the bobbin thread in here like this. And then this is the top part and I'm gonna cover it. Now I'm gonna thread the machine. So this machine is basic for the thread. I usually use the big cone of thread, but if you want the small one, you can put it at the top here. So you're gonna start, this is 1, and then you're gonna go around 2, 3, around this and then down. Then you come up. This is 4, 5, and then number 6 is down. Then you have to put the thread over here. And then now you're going to thread the needle. So I'm going to thread the needle. Put my presser feet down and pull the thread up. I'm going to open it. Put both threads at the back. So the tension of the machine, we have the straight stitch, and then the tightening stitch, the lightening stitch, and then also we have the zigzag. We have some decorative stitches here. So what I normally do, I put my stitch length on 3 and also the stitch width on 3, and you gotta go to the straight stitch here. So you turn the wheel to the straight stitch, and also make sure that your needle is at the center. So you're gonna turn the wheel, making sure your needle is at the center. You're gonna turn it all the way to the end, and then our tension is between 3 and 4. And this is also for the back stitch, the reverse. So let's set it up. So for the buttonhole, there's this little piece that's here. You gotta pull it down and then push it back. Then you wanna set your machine where the buttonhole is, like this. And what I normally do is put it between the stitch length between 1 and 0. So I put the stitch length between 1 and 0, and then for the width of the buttonhole, I put it between 5 and 6. So you want to put your fabric under the buttonhole like this. Put the presser foot down. And then you're going to start. So you're going to put the presser foot down and you're going to start making your buttonhole.